Activate multi-currency module. Select company, select change company settings, select multi-currency. Hit on upgrade now. Or you can go to administration, select my account, select manage subscription and payments. Here you can view what are the add-ons module available. In this company, multi-currency licenses not available. So you can activate the multi-currency module. Click upgrade button to activate multi-currency module. Enter 1 in multi-currency. Hit next button. Click finish button. Now you can see you have activated one multi-currency license.